Hi there, Chef Amelie Rousseau here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite sauces in the world, Hollandaise sauce. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm going to do a small batch just with 2 egg yolks and a 1/4 cup of butter, which just looks like a cube. I'm going to melt that in a second. And I'm going to get 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now you can use fresh lemon juice, you can use bottled lemon juice, or you can, at a pinch, you can use vinegar, but it really tastes better with the fresh lemon juice. So if you can, spring for this. All right, so to crack my egg, I want to separate my yolks from my whites, and I'm only going to use the yolks for this. So my egg whites, I'm going to save in this container and use them for other recipes. So I'm going to crack my egg on my flat surface, and then gently crack it open, and then just pour the yolk from one half to the other, and the whites will just drip out. One more. There we go. Now I'm going to put a pinch of salt, and I'm going to get my whisk and whisk this up. I'm trying to incorporate air and get this about doubled in size. Alright, now my secret ingredient is ground mustard powder. Now mustard is an emulsifier, so it helps fat and water stick together. So I'm going to put just a pinch of this in, and then when I add my lemon juice, this is going to help it not separate and break. Alright, so I have my simmering pot of water here, and I'm going to put an oven mitt on. Please wear an oven mitt when touching hot metal. Place my bowl over my double boiler, and I'm just going to continually whisk it. I want the egg yolk to cook, but very gently. And I'm going to pour a small amount of my butter and whisk that in, and then add more gradually. If there's no more lumps and it's very smooth, you can add more butter. And mix that up. So I'm actually holding it off the pot because I don't want it to overcook. If it gets clumpy, it's just that the egg yolks have overcooked, so you're just going to need to start over. But this is looking pretty good. And as you whisk it, it will double in size and get nice and fluffy. I'm just going to put a little salt to taste. You might need to add more depending on if you're using unsalted or salted butter. And I'm going to put my lemon juice now. The lemon juice really helps balance out all the fat that's in this sauce, because it's a very rich sauce with the butter and the egg yolk. Now I'm going to taste it. Perfect. And it will thicken up as it cools down. Alright, so I have some steamed broccoli here I'm going to serve my hollandaise with, and I'm just going to take my sauce and just pour it. And then put on a little sprinkle of paprika, just for some color. And that's how you make your own hollandaise sauce. Super easy, super luxurious. I recommend everyone try it. Get some hollandaise in their life. You can find more cooking videos at Amelie's Table on YouTube and Instagram, or ameliestable.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.